So I got some Happy Mail from Create and Bloom. So I had placed an order, and this is what I got in addition to these artificial succulents, because I have some molds. And this is the size of the opening, and I thought that'll be perfect. And I can just, because look, I live in Kuwait, and so, we don't have like flowers and succulents and any of that. So anyway, so I ordered those, and then I got some Starry Sprig mica powder. Is it? No. And it's got like a gold, can you see that sparkly? Anywho, it's gorgeous. But I wanted to get these pigments, so I got rhodonite and thyme. And then I got this little, it came in this pouch with 3 of the glitters. I think it was like a mystery thing. But anyway, I got hellebore, coral, I don't know, fly something. I can't read it. Anyway, so it's a really pretty red. And then puffball, which is the white. So the glitters that came with the stuff were Crystal Halo, Nippy, Earthly Joy. Then I got some Petal Puff mica powder and some Gilded Garden glitter. So I'll see what I can do with these, but I wanted the pigments. So these are the pigments that I got. And I can't wait to use them in my resin. Whoops, wrong way. All right, so just a little short to, show you what I got. So I will see you guys for the next video. Take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.